In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Trello master dashboard and startup HQ board for clear company-wide visibility. We're diving back into Trello with a simple, repeatable setup that works whether you're just opening the app or refining your workflow. First, let's turn Trello into a single source of truth by setting up your dashboard as a master board. Start by creating a workspace and grouping all your individual boards there. Think marketing, engineering, and sales. This keeps everything under one roof, so you can see the big picture without bouncing between tabs. Open any board in that workspace and look for the View dropdown next to the board title. Choose Dashboard View. Instantly, Trello generates visual tiles that summarize what matters most: how many tasks each member owns, upcoming due dates, and which labels are getting the most use. Treat this as your quick health check. If something looks overloaded, apply filters by member, label, or due date to narrow your focus and rebalance work before it becomes a bottleneck. Next, switch to Table View. This pulls cards from multiple boards into a single, filterable list, which is perfect for cross-team priorities. Sort by due date to spot deadlines across departments, or filter by label to surface just the initiatives that drive your quarterly goals. Use it during weekly reviews to align everyone on what's moving and what's stuck. Now let's configure a dedicated Startup HQ board. This is your command center for high-level metrics and links, so you don't leave Trello to find what you need. Begin with a main HQ list. Add cards for essential links, your company's CRM, and your tech stack. Use descriptions and attachments to keep documentation handy, and paste board or card links so you can jump directly into work with a click. Create a goals list to track your KPIs. Each card should clearly state the target and the starting point, and you can add due dates, checklists, and labels to signal status, like on track, at risk, or needs attention. Drop quick updates in the comments as metrics change, so your history lives in one place. Finally, add financial and team lists. In financial, track revenue snapshots and important reports so leaders see trends at a glance. In team, link to daily stand-up notes so updates roll up neatly into your HQ. Keeping these lists concise helps you scan, decide, and act without digging. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.